Well guys, over here, Sayreville Ramp, looking for some, let's see if we have some peanut bunker jumping. And I'm trying to hit the dock. Sometimes they jump. When you hit the dock with your foot, sometimes you see them jump. But hey, I just hear a few noises on the water. Maybe it's little groups of peanut bunker, but not as much like, you know, sometimes we find them here. We have a beautiful Key West that just launched in the water and on the ramp, and he's taking off. He's gonna have a good day of fishing. Little beautiful boat. He's got the kicker in the back. He's leaving. Beautiful Key West. Small one. It might be a 14 footer. It looks like a 14 footer. Look, it's all equipped. He was having a little problems to start it up in the morning, but he got it started. Now he's leaving on his way to catch some fishes. Look at him. It looks like father and son, older guy, younger guy, father and son going fishing. Little Key West. Like I said, it looks like a 14 footer. He's got the kicker just in case he's got problems with the main motor. He's got the other one to bring him home. And that's it. He's taking off over here in Sayreville Ramp, guys. It is some boats today. It is some boats, some trailers on the parking lot. But me, I'm gonna do it tomorrow because they say it's gonna still rain, and I don't wanna be out there, you know, struggle with the rain conditions, wind. So tomorrow, Sunday, is gonna be a better day, and we're gonna try to hit the water, Redditon Bay, maybe Sandy Hook, and do some fluking. But hey, too bad I cannot find the peanut bunker. I came here just to see if they're around. Maybe tomorrow when I put the boat in over here, maybe I can catch some with the casting net and get some nice live bait. Peanut bunkers are good for fluking, but I go to the tackle shop and nobody has them. Nobody has them fresh. They all have them frozen from last year, so that's no good. Well, here's the conditions today. It was drizzling this morning, but they say it will rain after 10 o'clock. So hopefully those guys that get out today can do some good fishing before the rain catches up, or you know, hopefully it doesn't rain at all and they can do good today. God bless them, and you know, make them come back with fish. That's all we want. Make them come back with fish and safe. That's all my prayers every morning for everyone. Well guys, the Jersey boy is planning some fishing for this summer, some good fishing. So keep subscribing, guys. Keep subscribing. Keep touching that little bell so you can get all the videos, all the notifications every time we post something. And go on Instagram. Instagram is the same. It's the Jersey Boys Journey. Okay. Get the Facebook. Subscribe. Help us out, guys, so we can keep growing. What I like about this ramp, as you can see, very comfortable. The water goes all the way up, and the truck has a very good grip. It doesn't slip on the ramp, nothing. Okay, Only problem maybe when it's a little low, the tide, but you still can walk on the dock. You can still walk on the dock, so we get no problems over here. Everything is nice and quiet, nice and comfortable. You got the main dock over here, okay, where you put your boat when you dock, okay, but then you swing it around here. See all this? Perfect. That's why I like this ramp. Then we have a little travel to go to Raritan Bay, but you know what? It's maybe, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes to get to Raritan Bay. But hey, listen, you cannot beat this compared to other ramps. And you got this one right here. You can launch your boat there, this side right here, or the other ramp. Usually jet skis, but boats use it too. So it's no complications here as long as everyone respects. And you have a beautiful parking spot. You can turn around with your boat here. Very comfortable. And you can park your boats, your trailers over there, over here. You can pay for the year, or you can pay daily. It's better for the year, guys. It's much cheaper. And you have bathrooms too. You have a lot of bathrooms. You have the porta potties, but you also have the bathrooms over there. Girls, women's and men's bathroom. Okay, you have a little. You can walk on the dock over here. And you have a doggy that comes to you all the time. See that? Nice. He's here. That's the power plant, the old power plant. See? You can put your boat there and wait until you organize, your motor warms up. Okay, guys. God bless everyone. Fish on, live on, and God bless you guys.